How tall is your tree Instagram chain story? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And then for my page you have to go to new stickers at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. How tall is your tree? Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the description, and there you'll find a tutorial. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a link to that tutorial in the Instagram app, so keep on watching, okay? So from here you can go to your upload and choose a background photo, or you can click right here and choose the style. You can place this where you want, and then you have to tap to type, and then you can type in your name just like this. My name is Alina, so here I will type A-L A-L-I A-L-I-N A-L-I-N-A, just like this. And at the top you can put a star if you want. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now let me show you. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go to super viral on my page, and here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.